Just a quick one today, guys. Got a 2009 Mazda BT-50 Ford Ranger PKPJ. We've got 4 codes here: Manifold Absolute Pressure, low circuit, Barometric Pressure, range performance, turbo boost system performance, and mass airflow circuit range performance. So first thing, I think we'll just sit here and watch some live data. First thing I think I'll chase is the Manifold Absolute Pressure code. Should match barometric pressure perfectly. You can see it's sitting a little bit high at 105 kPa instead of 101, so straight away seeing a little problem there, but we'll keep watching. Beautifully, so we're faulting now. We can see barometric pressure is 101 kPa. Manifold absolute pressure is down at 20 kPa. Sensor is shorted. I've just got the sensor out. We'll plug a new sensor in right here and we'll be able to see if it pops back up, and that'll tell us if it's a short to ground or not. So we'll just unplug this sensor and plug a new one in and see what happens to this reading. So we'll go open circuit up to 255, plug a new one in, and back at 101, exactly matching the barometric pressure. So that's going to be a fix for this car. We'll take it for a quick hone and make sure we're all good. So we'll just clear these fault codes out. Beautiful. Have another read. No DTCs. Let's take it for a rip. She's happy. So all happy. Probably first thing to keep an eye out for is, just make sure barometric pressure and manifold absolute pressure are matching each other at idle on a diesel. Just turn it off, and even key on, engine off, they should be perfectly matching each other. I also just wanted to touch on why I went for the manifold absolute pressure code first. Well, it is at the top there, so sometimes your scan tool will organise them in the correct order of what's most important, but we can actually see that one is a circuit low input. If we move down to the P2227, that's a range performance. 2263 turbocharger boost system, that's also a range performance. And mass airflow is a range performance. So what's actually happened here is the barometric pressure has set a code because it doesn't, like I say, it hasn't matched up with what it expects to see from the MAF, so it doesn't know which one is telling the truth, so it sets both codes. The turbo boost performance, much the same. It sees that the manifold absolute pressure was stuck at 20 while it was probably trying to boost, and so obviously the computer is seeing no boost being made. Bang, set the code. And mass airflow performance. The computer will be expecting to see a particular manifold absolute pressure reading at certain operating ranges, and if it's not seeing it, it'll set that code also, because it doesn't know which one is telling the truth, if it's the mass airflow or the manifold absolute pressure, since they're measuring a very similar type of reading, and the computer's trying to figure out a strategy to fuel the motor. So it'll set that one at the same time. So I hope you understand all that. And yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.